So we have 5x is equal to 20. So this time, anong operation na ang binigay dyan? May addition ba? May subtraction? Pag magkatabi, anong operation po yun? Very good, multiplication. Okay, step number 1, check natin, yung variable po ba nasa left side na ng equation, ng equal sign? Yes, so hindi na natin kailangan ilipat. Ano na lang po ang rule natin dyan? Kailangan ma-eliminate natin, matanggal natin yung number na katabi ng variable. At anong number yun? 5. So to eliminate 5, since ang operation ay multiplication, we need to divide both side of the equation by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 5. Or sa Tagalog, para matanggal yung number na katabi ni x, which is yung 5, ang tawag kay 5 ay numerical coefficient. I-divide natin sila parehas kay 5. Bakit i-divide kay 5? Kasi 5 divided by 5, 1. Or just simply, cancel na lang yan. At anong matitira? X. So, ganun din dito kay 5 din po. So, nag-divide tayo. Papasok po, anak, sa division property of equality. Then, anong natira sa left side, anak? X. Then, 20 divided by 5, 4. O, paano malalaman kung tama yung sagot? Checking. Palitan, anak, si X ng 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 4. Okay, 20 is equal to 20. Yes, so therefore, the value of X is correct. Do you understand?